Hello, I am Armin, and in this video, I want to show you one of the simple ways to make stitches. To start, make a plane. Create new meshes by pressing the I button. Then select the new mesh. Press Shift D and by pressing the P, selecting the selection. Go back to the Edit Mode section and select the new plane. Press the Delete button and select the Only Face option. Now we have only one line, which is in the shape of a square. You can subdivide it or change it in any other way you choose. Go to the Object section, Convert, and select Curve. Create a cube in the center of the plane and make it in the form of a stitch. Subdivide your object and add Shade Smooth to it. In the Add Modifiers section, add Curve to the object. And show your desired curve to the modifier like in the video. Go back to the Add Modifiers section and select Array. The important point is that, if you want the movement axis of the objects to be relative to the curve, you must put the Array modifier higher and specify the appropriate axis of the curve in the array correctly so that there is no problem in the result of the work. Increase the array number, and as you can see, the work is done correctly. Now you can make it better by changing the appropriate scale and position of the object. Complete your work with good materials, textures, and lighting. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.